Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. As I think I may have mentioned before in some of these videos, my son plays football every Sunday for a local team. And last week they came up against probably the best team they have to play. It's a team that's already beaten them twice this year. Basically, they battered them 7-1 and then they hammered them 7-2. And last Sunday, perhaps predictably, they battered them again, but this time only 5-0. In the car on the way home, my son was understandably a bit dejected. But I pointed out to him that as a defender, conceding 2 fewer goals than last time was a good result, and there's no shame in losing to such a good team as their opponents. And the most important thing was that the whole team gave it their all. If you say that someone gives it their all, you basically mean that they put all of their energy and their effort into doing something. So you might say, for example, after a night out, "Hey, I saw you out there on the dance floor last night, giving it your all." If you're a boss and you've got a huge project that needs to be finished by a certain date, a deadline that you have to meet, that you can't miss, you might say to all of your staff, "Listen, we've got to get this work finished by Friday, so I'm going to need all of you to give it your all, to give it everything you've got." For me, as a teacher, like most teachers I suspect, every time I go into a classroom, I try to give it my all. I don't like to feel that I'm doing things in a half-hearted way. And I guess in life in general, if you don't succeed at something, it's good to at least know that you've given it your all. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "give it your all."